Back to our YouTube channel. On this video, I'll be showing you two Excel tips. Remember, we do upload daily Excel tips. So one is what? The autofill. This autofills allows you to fill data down the column by simply hitting the Ctrl E to make the autofill. All you have to do is click on this, then you type okay, right, this Ctrl E, and we have it, guys. So if you want to try it for the second column, is this not wonderful, guys? And you can also do this. So we have it. The second tip is what? The sparklines. This allows you to insert a miniature graph inside an individual cells for easy visualization of data. So this data that we have here, if you want to insert just a small graph or a small chart about it for you to see the representation graphically better, you can do that by just selecting the range. So let's select, this is the range of what we have, and you click on insert and you click on columns, any of them, and it's asking you where you want it to be. So this is our A2. You click on what? A2 and click OK. So this is it, guys. So if you want to show for the rest of them, you can easily drag it down and you have a perfect graphical representation of the data that you have. So guys, this is the second tip. Tomorrow I'll be showing you another tip, and if you'll be trying this out, tell me if it was helpful. Tell me, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.